Thinking about creating a smart home? C by GE is changing our name to Cync. We're ready to put your life in sync. The new Cync app powered by Savant seamlessly brings products together to fit your home and simplify your life. Personalize the app experience with pictures of your house. Explore different light, colors and brightness within the app using our patented True Image technology. Find and save your perfect color with enhanced color control. Set schedules for lights and devices. For automated control, set up C by GE and Cync Smart devices. Easily pair them together and control them in one intuitive app. You can schedule a scene to turn lights on so you feel more comfortable coming home at night. Use motion sensing for contact-free control of your lights and to save you energy when you leave a room. Or create the perfect space for falling asleep. And waking up ready for the day. It's time to add more comfort, confidence, and control to your life. It's time to experience life in sync. See more ways to sync your home.
Subscribe and push bell icon for more videos.